Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Adobe Sign is a signature tool that makes sending forms to others and electronically signing the forms easy and secure. You get a free subscription to Adobe Sign with your Acrobat DC purchase. Using your Acrobat license, you can use the service to send forms to others for signatures. To get others to sign a document using Adobe Sign, first launch Acrobat and open the document that needs to be signed. Next, select the Send for Signature tool from the Fill and Sign tool grouping in the Tools Center. The Send for Signature screen then appears. The Send for Signature screen displays the thumbnail image of the document at the left side of the screen, and the name of the document appears at the bottom of the screen in the Files area. In the center of the screen, you'll see text fields labeled To and Message. In the To field, type or paste the email address of the person who will be signing the document. You can add more than one address to this text field if more than one person needs to sign the document. You can also add CC email addresses by clicking the Add CC link above the text field. Acrobat autofills the message text fields with the information, including the file name and basic instructions. You can click into the text fields to change the included information. Note that changing the file name text will not remove the file, it will simply replace the email subject with your preferred text. When you are finished adding information to the text fields, click the Next button. Acrobat uploads the document to Adobe Sign. The document then opens and shows a pane at the right side of the screen that contains collapsible and expandable sections of form fields that you can click and drag into your document for the recipient to use to sign the form and fill in the data you choose to add. To add a field, click the desired section in this pane, and then click and drag the field to add onto the desired place in the document. For example, to add a signature field for the recipient to sign, you would click the Signature Field section, and then click and drag the signature field from that section onto the desired place in the document. You can select multiple fields you have added to the form, and then use the buttons in the toolbar at the top of the form to align them. To align selected form fields relative to the page, check the Relative to Page checkbox first, and then click the desired toolbar alignment button. To select named fields within the form, make a choice from the drop-down that appears within this toolbar. If you want to save a copy of the document to your document library, check the Save to Document Library checkbox at the bottom of the right pane. To then send the form to the recipient shown at the top of the pane, click the Send button at the bottom of the right pane. The document is then submitted and successfully sent to the recipient for signature.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.